my mother's YouTube channel. So today, I don't know if you can hear me, but today we're at Mountie, and where are we going?
To look for your food.
Oh, we're going to look for my sushi. So if you don't know, we're filming a mukbang today, and I'm eating salmon. What are you eating, Mum?
Oysters. There's no tuna.
It's fine. See, she didn't tell anyone this. She just put it on me just then.
Well, I went looking yesterday. They had none. At all the kiwi shops, they had nothing.
Are we done?
But they got the they have the Australian tuna, which isn't too bad, I guess. But I prefer the New Zealand tuna. But if there's nothing, what else can you do?
Anyway, so she's gonna eat oysters, and I'm gonna eat salmon. And yeah, okay, my arms are getting sweaty. End the video. Bye. Stop. Yeah, I need 2 plates, babes. This isn't gonna fit.
Yeah, we'll just pack it all on so then you can eat the whole. When you eat everything on the plate, yeah, you're a master blaster.
Okay, no, I have faith in myself. I can make it work.
Who's that burping in the background? And wiping.
Don't put that in. Hi guys, welcome to my mum's YouTube channel. So you can't be doing that.
No, I was just about to say hello. Anyway, hurry up then.
Hi guys, welcome back to my mum's YouTube channel. So today, oh my god.
Okay, hurry up then. Okay,
oh
sorry,
my
sweetheart.
gosh.
Okay.
This is the last time. Oh my gosh.
Hang on, wait. Yeah, go.
Hi guys, welcome back to my mum's YouTube channel. So today we're going to do a mukbang. I'm gonna do it one more time.
Okay, hurry up then. Okay, sit back a bit. I look humongous when I'm sitting forward.
Oh my gosh, Mum.
Okay, hurry up then. Wait. I just found myself.
What? Put this in.
Yeah, here. Go. No. Go.
Hi guys, welcome back to my mum's YouTube channel. So today we are going to be doing a mukbang. And what?
And my food is better than her food. I got Filipino food, guys. I went looking for kina and I went looking for oysters, and I wasn't really happy with the price and the look of it. So there was a Filipino shop just outside where I went to have a look, and their food was temptation. Yeah, so I got me some pork sticks and some of their wormsilly, like a supper sweet. Good. Looks good to me. Anyway, your soy sauce is over my side. And then I got some rice from there because I think it's jasmine rice. It's got that nice flavour. So that's where I got it. And I've got my own snap chopstick this time.
Pretty sure they were mine, but okay.
These were in the drawer.
Oh, true. Okay, now I'm going to explain my food. Okay,
Wait, please. And my drink today is from Boost, and it's strawberry what?
Strawberry squeeze.
Strawberry squeeze, guys. They didn't squeeze it. They blended it. So it's not squeezed. It's strawberry blend. Nah. Okay, you can have the...
Okay, so I went and I got sushi, as you can see. What is this called?
You said hot, spicy something.
I'm not sure what it's called, but all that's in it is salmon and avocado in all of these, except this one. This is smoked salmon, and then this is just salmon by itself. The rest are just salmon and avocado, but these have mayo and spicy sauce, but I'm not sure what the spicy sauce is called. And then this one is just sesame seeds. There you go.
And she's got backup.
Oh yeah, and I got more because...
Oh, cheers, guys.
No, I can't share that. That doesn't look appetizing. So no, never mind.
Yeah, so we already did our prayer, guys. So we're gonna start eating because she's starving. when they were putting food together, she was like eating instead of just waiting for the camera. Sorry guys, I was talking about I can see like foggy. Anyway, yeah, so once again I got Chullora here. She didn't mind to come and film with me again. I was really looking forward to the oysters and kina, but unfortunately they're only selling Australian kina. And I sort of noticed, in the water, it sort of like melts and, dissolves. And so by the time you get it home, I don't know, but I'd rather have it straight from the shell. Both kina. But the New Zealand one is more firm. Yeah. But anyway, that's my food, guys. Looking forward to this. This is like, it's like sapasui, and then it's like they add, like, the small spaghetti with it, and then they chop up the cabbage and they put that in there, and then this one's got like little baby beans, and it also has capsicum, and they also have like little meats, and time to eat. Anyway, here guys, first bite.
Are you left-handed?
No.
Because I'm right-handed. And I think, you know what?
I just want my arm next to yours, that's why. This is nice.
No, this is nice.
Does it have a taste?
No. My mum, like, she'll make something or get something. She knows that my taste buds don't like, how do you explain it? Like, I'm a basic type of girl. I like noodles and like chicken nuggets and things like that. Like, I have a somewhat kid taste bud. And she makes me try these like different foods. And she hopes that I'm gonna like it, but I never do like it.
Yeah, for now, when you get older, your taste bud changes, shifts.
No, this is actually good.
Because when I was a child, the vegetable I couldn't stand is cabbage. And look, now I love cabbage. So when you get older, so does your brain. Oh, brain. Yum.
I went to a sushi chain just yesterday with Savannah. For those who don't know, Savannah is my niece. I went to sushi chain just yesterday after school. And then I went today and got more sushi from sushi chain. I'm literally paying their bills. I went there like 3 days ago as well.
What happened? I thought you were going to just get salmon, straight salmon.
Oh, they didn't have any.
We should have went to Plumpton. Plumpton has his salmon, just salmon.
I like this too.
Oh, we bought a slab of salmon, and then Dad sliced it thinly for you. No, would you have liked that? This is actually nice.
I should have sat there and you should sit here because I'm right-handed and you're left-handed.
Have a taste of this.
No, Mum, no.
Don't know what you're missing, buddy. It's so nice.
You know that I'm not going to like that. The other day she made something and she like...
Oh,
look. There was a video of her...
I tipped the soy sauce.
Oh yeah, forgive it, please. She made something for her other channel. If you don't know what it is, it's called Faye Cooks. Put it right here, mother. Yeah, she made... What was it? It was a pawpaw.
Tahiti.
Yeah, she made that. And then she goes, come here, try it. Thinking that I was just going to be like, oh my gosh. Like, I was telling her I'm not going to like it. She made me try it, and then I didn't like it. So it just went to waste.
It's really nice.
No, this is really nice.
Hey, darling. Darling. Tahiki was nice, eh? I don't want any thumbs up. I'm asking you a question.
Yes, that's beautiful.
It was. It was really nice.
Delicious.
So, I'm going to make it again.
Please.
No. No, it's nice, man. I didn't know that it was going to go hand in hand. I didn't know it was going to be like, but it was nice. So nice. I can't wait to make it again.
Alright. I got like this much sushi, right? And then my mom goes, you didn't get enough sushi. So I went and I got more. I'm not going to finish all this. And there's still some on the side. It's fine, leftovers.
That's only because I didn't want you to grab my food again.
Oh yeah, because for those who watched my last mukbang, I stole her food.
Oh, nice. Mukbang. Oh. This from the Filipino shop. So I went to the Filipino shop, guys, right? And I started picking my food. The man served me. So I asked for this, asked for that. And then the way the man was packing the food was like generous, you know, like the same level as the tray thing. Anyway, as he turned around to wrap up all my food, I think it was his wife, she came and I said, oh, can I ordered another dish. And when I watched how she served it, it was like, where's the rest of it? I thought, nah, anyway. So I thought, oh, well, now I know who to go to next time. The man. Yeah, so he gives a lot. But then I think, when I was unwrapping it, I was like, it's overflowing. I think the ladies' one was better. Then it's not overflowing when you're undoing it. But this is really nice, eh? I might even do it like this one day.
Sometimes I'll ask my mom to like, cut that out of the video. Like, on my last video, I done her outro. And I told her to cut it out. I was like, yeah, don't keep that in. And she kept it in.
Well, which part?
I done your outro. And I told you to cut it out and you didn't. Also, for those who watched the last mukbang with me, remember how she was like, this is Chullora's last mukbang. Look, I'm back a week later.
Well, she only got sacked for, what was the reason?
I took your food.
What? She took my plate of food, so I said I want to disinvite her, and she's not going to get invited again. That's it, man. Look at the food.
But I'm sure. Like
Sit up straight.
It doesn't move. Sit up straight. I'm sure. Yeah, I don't.
I think you're 5'2".
Mum, I literally went to doctors like 4 days ago.
And they say you're 4 feet.
I'm 5 feet. I'm 5'1" and 5 feet. I'm in between that. So really, I'm like 5'half". That was so dumb. Never mind. Cut
What?
that out.
You're 5 and half of the one.
Yeah, I'm half of the one. So really, I grew half an inch. Woo! My life is great.
Right. Were you stretching your neck?
No.
What are you doing?
I know, I have my Air Forces on, so.
It's actually nice. Yeah. You don't mind about your hair.
Also, don't keep this in. The last mukbang that I was in, I flicked my hair and then you said something about the knit. That's not funny. Now your viewers probably think that I got knits.
Maybe you have.
Oh my god. Yeah, but would you want your viewers to think that?
Mm-hmm.
Why?
Well, you know you don't have it, so why would you?
Yeah, but why would you make your... Like, then your viewers are going to sit there and be like, oh my god, maybe Chullora has knits. So...
Yeah. Because you're talking about it. All of a sudden, this side started getting all itchy. You better not pass it to me.
See, they're gonna think, oh my...
You know it's not.
Yeah, but like, they...
Eat your food. I'm in my own little world here. Enjoying my food. It's hot here, right? And this one over here wanted to wear her hoodie. Because she has so many black t-shirts, she likes a lot of black clothes. So the reason why she's wearing this, because she said that people's going to see her with the same black t-shirt and then you guys are going to think she doesn't shower.
No, because I only have black shirts. I think I have like 2 colored shirts out of all the shirts that I have. The only colored other thing that I have are my hoodies. So, I have a hoodie. Can you not keep that in? That's so... I'm running out of boost.
Unless you're editing, you can do whatever you want.
Babe, I think you got sauce on your face. Come on. No,
Yeah.
on the other side. Get a napkin.
Yeah.
Just get a napkin.
That's not my
Oh my gosh. Look, on your cheek. Now back to me.
That's why my mirror was here.
Guys, I'm in the progress of making a YouTube channel. Oh my... Mom, guess what Jake done in front of my whole class the other day?
What?
He told the whole class, my child study class, that you have a YouTube channel.
Yeah, what happened?
Like, it was so...
Just go and tell them to subscribe.
Yeah, my teacher subscribed. So, miss, if you're watching this.
Your
Hi,
teacher. Oh.
No, that is, like, he said in front of the whole class, because I was editing my video. Oh, yeah, I'm in the progress of making my YouTube channel. I was editing my video. And he goes, what are you doing? I'm like, I'm editing my video. And then he goes, oh, yeah, by the way, everyone, go search up Faye Vids on YouTube channel. That's Chullora's mum's YouTube. And I was like, Jake, stop. And he was like, what?
Good on you, Jake.
He was like, what? I'm like getting your mum money and getting your mum viewers. And I was like, yeah, but like.
Good one, Jake.
Every time I burp, can you edit it out? I'm not kidding. They're gonna think I'm like, not. Like, they're gonna think I'm an animal for not saying pardon me.
Well, say it. Whether you're on camera or not. Rude girl.
You acting like you embedded that in my head.
Pardon? What happened?
Nothing.
I'll stop it then.
No, but every time I burp, I edit it out. They're gonna think it, like I wasn't raised properly. Oh.
Anyway, this is not food. Hold a moment. Sergio is in Madrid. Sergio's there. And you know what I saw that they had was, oh, look at that. Look, guys.
It's gonna fall on my.
No. It's apple turnover. I got 2. And 1, oh no, 1. Oh, well, bello, yeah. Anyway, let me start again. It's 2 apple turnover and 2 lemon meringues. Yum. Look, if the apple is cooked inside and the pastry is like crunchy. Anyway, Sergio is in Mount Joy, guys. So, if you want a delicious, yummy, yum cake and...
Sorry, go.
If you want some yummy, distraction to the side. Yeah, so if you want some yummy cakes, guys, Sergio is next to Woolworth. You know, the Woolworth there, and it's just there.
She's talking about in Mountain.
Mount Druitt. So Sergio is in the county.
Okay. This is my mother's. What flag is this? Come on!
That's so.
Come on! Oh my! Come, you producer.
You nearly dislocated my shoulder with that big splash of a big forehead. And last time I was cruised out. That was actually sore.
I don't want to be here anymore. Edit that out.
Massage. You know I've got old frail bones now. Massage.
Mom, stop it.
Oh.
She always picks on me. Can you guys go find videos of her with my niece and then her with me? Compare the videos because she's so much nicer to Savannah than she is with me.
Oh, because she's my grandbaby.
And I am your baby.
Anyway, no, I'm your babes. Eh?
Anyways, what flag is this? Tell me so I can tell them.
Samoa, how dare you? So rude.
I'm gonna butcher this. Okay.
That is Samoa. See, they're all for the Cook Island.
Yep. We are.
You know what?
Stop. Okay, this is a Samoa flag. And it's a custom case. It's a small business called TRIXX.
Collection.
TRIXX Collection on Instagram. Tag them somewhere. My mother will edit their name right here. Anyways, so this is a
phone cover. Phone case.
No, this is a custom phone case. They do all types of phone cases, and because Valentine's
coming up.
Yeah, since that's coming up, they're doing custom cases around that
Right now.
theme.
Right now.
Yeah. Anyways, so their prices are for the cases that they make. They
Don't make my phone case. Sorry.
They do, for just the case that they make, it's $20. However, if you want a custom case like this, it's $25. I believe that they came out with pop sockets and...
Oh, I hope they got one for that.
They can, if you want it.
Yeah.
Anyways, yeah, go check out TRIXX Collection. In the description. Will it be in the description? She will put it somewhere.
I really like my phone case. I took it off. Normally when I put the phone on to film, I leave all my covers on. This one, I don't want it scratched. So I took it off. And now she wants to talk about it. So that's why she talked about it. But anyway, I'll put it all the way over here. So.
Oh my god. Hi. Look, it's empty. Did you see that? Oh my gosh. My reflexes are on point.
No, your disturbing is really on point. I was trying to talk about my phone case. This is a really nice thing. But the last time I got it, it was like really charcoal. But this time it's not. That's the only problem. But I normally like it like really charcoal or whatever. Don't wanna But I guess it's alright because it's more moist. Why are you putting those on? What's wrong with those ones?
I like spicy things.
Well, you should have just put all the spicy. You know, if that was all salmon, just straight salmon, it would have been finished by now.
Oh, yeah. Yep, you're right.
Well, why didn't you go and buy your spicy salmon?
Oh, good. It's right here.
Oh, not spicy salmon. Nice.
This is good. I'm just like slowly getting full.
Happy Waitangi Day. Happy Waitangi Day to all the Kiwis out there.
Oh, yeah.
Next week, they're having Waitangi Day out in Madrid Pools. They've been having this will be the 3rd year. I'm looking forward to it. Yeah. I go there. Oh, I'll let my son Andre know. Because last year we went there with Andre and Katia. Or actually we met up with them. Yeah, anyway, I won't put that in. Yeah, guys, so if you got nothing planned on Saturday, next Saturday, go to Mount Druitt Pools and enjoy hanging out with all the fellow Kiwis out there. Because they have like floor shows as well. And last year they had this guy rapping on it, and I really liked it. I put it on my film. It's on my last year's Waitangi Day video, so that's last year this time. Yeah, so the first time they had the first Waitangi Day that I filmed there, I didn't know too much about copyright, and there was loud music all day long, and I didn't know, and I uploaded it. And then they wrote me a letter. Well, they sent me an email saying that I got copyrighted. I mean, it means that the video will still be there, but I won't get paid for it. So I done this foolish thing. I should have saved it and then deleted it. Then I can go back and like edit out the music, and then I was upset. But anyway, that's when I was still learning how to edit. I didn't even know anything about copyright that time. And my daughter, they used to copyright, slap me.
Edit.
No, yeah, my daughter, Geneva, that was editing. She must have known about it, and she didn't even tell me, or didn't even want to help, couldn't be bothered. So I used to torture her to come and help me edit and everything. And she said, I'm not tired. How am I going to grow anything if she wants to sleep all the time and snore? This one over here. Can you just eat your sushi instead of doing what you're doing?
I was waiting for you to finish your sentence so I could take my food.
Okay.
Oh, I bought a new necklace. Do you want to see it now or wait until...
Oh, yeah. Did you get a necklace when we went?
Yeah. Because I've been looking for new necklaces. Look.
Is that real?
Probably not. It was like $10. Look, and it's like a little cross.
I got my daughter a necklace on her 13th birthday.
Guys. Okay, so if you don't call me... Okay, so you can either call me two things. Chullora, or for short, my name's Laura. On my 13th birthday, my mum said that she... Okay, so... Before she gave me this, she gave my sister Hope one that said her name. So she wanted to get me one. And if you don't call me Chullora, you call me Laura.
The last
Which is like the last four letters of my name. I thought that she was gonna go and get Laura on here. No, my parents decided to go get Laura. No, because you.
I wanted Laura, or when they said how much Chullora was going to be, I went, no, Laura. And then
No.
Albert over there, if he tells the truth, he would have said, nah, put C Laura.
Oh, no. This
Short
is.
for,
No, they put Chlora. Chlora, I'm so dead. They put Chlora on here instead of Laura or Chullora. When I found this out, I was like, he cut. Because no one ever calls me C Laura or Chlora. So why would they get that on there? But anyways, it's not about that. It's about this. I got me a new one, so I'm going to start wearing this.
Hey.
No, listen. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. 12 plus 1 plus 3. That's 15 pieces of sushi I just had. And I am now full. But it's fine because these are now leftovers. I can have it for dinner later. I really like this chain. I'm so happy.
well,
Look, it's like the one cross up there and then one cross down there. It's going to
wow.
look so cute on me. Also, we're going raging tomorrow, guys.
Not if it's raining.
It's not. I was going to go today, but then Google said that it was raining. So I was like, hey, Google, what's the weather on Sunday? And she was like, it's not going to be raining. So I was like, okay, we'll go.
Can you hear those birds? Woo-hoo. Oh, that's what they're doing now. Woo-hoo.
What?
They sound like owls.
Sorry, I'm like trying to open up my thing.
Anyway, how's everyone going? Hope you guys are having a good weekend.
If you live in Australia, our COVID restrictions, if that's the word, they went down a bit. Like before you had to wear a mask everywhere. Now you only have to wear a mask in public transport, so buses and trains and taxis.
Oh, I just brought it a bit of meat that wasn't chewed down properly, and I really felt it when I was.
Okay, but look at my necklace. It's so cute. I'm so happy. Thanks, Lavisa.
Who paid for that?
My daddy.
I know.
You're so sad. Well, think about it like this. You're going to get money off of this video, right? So that money that I'm making for you right now off this video, can you put it on me?
You're not making any money for me. You're just hanging out with me.
Nah. No. Mum.
Yeah.
You act like you didn't ask me to be here. You asked me to be here, babe. I didn't. But I would have came even if you didn't ask me to.
Well, I would have had Savannah.
Would you?
Yeah. No, I didn't know she was sleeping over, so I would have definitely have Savannah. Savannah's more fun.
Oh my gosh. See, this is what I mean. She picks on me and she treats someone so much better.
No, neither.
I should really do this after the video, but...
I know, so good.
I want it on now, so I'm going to put it on now. Mommy, can you do it?
No. Not after what you just said.
What did I say?
I pick on you.
You do... Guys. Mommy, put it on me.
So you just love.
Don't yell at me.
How about your face next to me?
This is going to look so cute. Oh yeah, guys, if I make a YouTube channel, will you subscribe? I'll let you know when I make it. Wait, I don't know if... Some of you might be into the... Yay! Thank you, Mother.
Trust me, you wouldn't like it.
Wait. Where does it go? Oh, wait, it goes back there. But now I feel
See, you're not eating. Now you're putting me off.
Eat, Mother. Ah, this doesn't look that cute as of right now because of Chlora. It's fine, I'll get rid of her.
Hey, Chlora's real gold. What you bought is...
Yeah, but what I bought is real cute, so...
The camera's over there, not over there.
Sorry, guys, I'm trying to fix my necklace. Okay, I'm getting rid of you right now. You're going back here, babe.
Well, just leave it off. Man, this recording's turning out bad.
stop. Like, ah! I'm strangling myself out of this house. Out of this house. I'm not kidding. Alright, let's go.
That's what I feel like doing to you right now because we come to film and she wants to put on a necklace and stare at herself in the mirror.
No.
Yes?
Okay, let's go.
No.
Can you guys see it?
No.
I can't see it. I can't see anything.
What is? I just realised what's left over. My vegetables. Well, guys, I don't know what Chullora... I really don't know why Chullora joined me today because not only did she waste her father's money...
You're trying to get me in trouble.
Not only... Daddy, did you hear that? Not only did she go and waste this money.
No, I'm going to eat this for dinner.
Yeah, but you went to buy it for the mukbang.
Okay, this is what happened, right? I went and got sushi.
Snitch.
I went and got enough sushi that I knew that I was going to eat and get full of. But she was like, no, go get more. So I went and got more.
And I did not sound like a man.
Now there's too much. So really, it's your fault that this is on my plate.
Yeah, I know, but... Ghana. Daddy. Darling.
Don't get me involved with your video.
Rude. I was only asking if you wanted some sushi.
Don't
After
give
all,
away.
you paid for it and that.
Ask me after the camera.
You're so negative.
Yeah.
She's just asking you a question. Jeez.
Mm-hmm. Don't call my husband negative. I can call him negative. You're so negative.
See, she's trying to be funny. That one's not funny. That one's not funny.
Not trying to be funny, because mind your mouth. Respect your father. I will tell him. Hey, Daddy. Daddy, where you going?
What?
What are you laughing for?
What are you laughing for?
I was laughing because he looked like he was walking like an old man.
I'm full.
Okay, guys, so we got to end this, but thank you for hanging out.
Stop.
Don't touch me, it's hot. You're so annoying,
See, when I
guys.
talk to Savannah like that, right?
No, I would hug my baby. Okay, now this.
It's a favoritism for me. Anyways, so this is the end of our mukbang. If you liked today's video, please make sure to give it a thumb. No, I need to add lip gloss. Give me a napkin.
Go away. Anyway, thank you guys for hanging out with us today. I ate most of my food. I had 2 sticks and this thing's quite nice. I don't know what it's called, but it's actually delicious. But ever since I would just wanted that meat and there was a big chunk that went there, it was like, but it's so nice. Anyway, at least we can save this for after. Because, you know, before, when I used to not finish your... I thought you were going to breathe out really hard. Anyway, so normally I when I finish my mukbangs, you're swinging your hair again. You know what that could happen?
Oh my god! No, this is my last mukbang. I'm not coming back.
Oh, really? It doesn't matter.
No, it does. Watch her ask me next week, do you want to be the mukbang?
At least I sound a bit higher in volume that time. No. Oh, you know. Guys, I'm ending this video now because Chullora's annoying and looking in the mirror. The camera's over there and she's looking over there. I don't know, man. I've never seen someone so...
And not with themselves. I can't help it.
So...
Okay, come on. I got places to be. I'm booked. I'm a busy woman. Alright, I will do that outro. Alright,
Don't
thank you
touch
guys
me.
for watching.
It's warm.
Stop, Mom!
Okay, sorry.
Thank you guys for watching today's. No. Alright, no. This is actually the last thing. Do the outro so I can leave. No.
Anyway, guys. Oh, you know what? No, you know what? I'm usually serious on my videos. Well, semi-serious. But you, on the other hand, annoying much. See, this is why I should have had Savannah on.
Wait, didn't it? Come on, I want to leave.
No, my arm's dislocated now. Oh man, that's rude, so rude.
Oh, stop.
My shoulder's been pushed up.
You're not funny. Mama.
You're so annoying. Guys, I'm so sorry about this. Chullora is just so annoying. You know, I should have asked my granddaughter to come and film with me. Because not only did she waste her father's money on all that sushi, now that he's gone. Yeah, so he must have at least, how much was all that?
$40.
40, oh, go on. Because his card is linked to her phone. And this little witchy poo, she goes and spends it when she wants. Daddy!
Mom, this is not funny.
Okay, cancelled. Okay, guys, we better go. Okay, I know you guys are probably turning off your phones or whatever, all because of someone. But please forgive her, and we'll say goodbye. Okay, you guys all take care. Okay, but thanks for hanging out with us this little time that you did. Try and get some proper footage because. But anyway, if you're free and you live locally and you got no nothing to do, nothing planned for next Saturday, yep, the swimming pool in Mount Druitt is open for Waitangi Day. Well, hopefully it's a fine day. Oh, it's a fine day. Daddy.
Don't interrupt her. Stop. No. Thank you for watching our mukbang today. If you liked it, please make sure to give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Comment down below the next video you would like to see. And share this video with someone. Also,
I forgot. Someone had asked. Wait, don't touch me. It's warm.
Also, go subscribe to my mother's other cooking channel called Faye Cooks. Okay, you may talk now. Wait, no.
Don't tell me when I can
last
talk.
Last thing. This is my last mukbang, and I'm not coming back. Go talk.
Anyway, so this person asked me to teach you some Samoan words.
Oh, me.
Yeah. So I'm gonna teach you 4 Samoan words.
But I can barely speak English.
You're right. But anyway, guys, someone had asked me to teach Chullora some Samoan words. And while she's laughing, I nearly slapped her.
I also...
Because I'm talking and she's putting on her lip gloss. So anyway, I'm going to teach you 4 Samoan words, okay? Try your best to pronounce it the way I'm telling you. Because I'm talking serious. I so want to uppercut you right now. Because here's me talking away and she's going... That's enough. Put the lip gloss right there.
Go.
Yeah, okay. 4 Samoan words are, I'm going to teach you house, car. What's the easy one? Okay, bird and sun. That's the sun on the sky. Okay, so.
House, car, bird, sun. Yep,
yeah.
Got it.
House is called Faye. So you have to say it.
Filet.
It's not a fillet fish. Faye. Faye. House is Faye. Faye. What are you giggling for?
Hey, far. What? Far what?
Far away. You're far away. Anyway, Faye.
Filet.
Yeah, house, Faye.
Yep, got it. Check.
Say it.
I'll say it again.
House, Faye.
Filet.
Fale.
Fale. I just said that.
House is fale.
Fale.
Say it properly. Yeah, yeah, fale. It's house, fale.
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 Fale. I'm literally saying fale. Like you're saying fale.
You're saying fale. Well, that's what it sounds like to me. You're going, fale.
Hey, just
Fale.
Fale. Fale.
This doesn't have a lay after the fale.
Well, that's what you're saying.
Fale. You're going fale.
That's what you're saying. Fale.
Fale. And
Can you
fale.
spell it?
Fale.
Like,
F-A-L-E. Fale.
fale. Stop. Fale. Fale.
Man, go kiki a fale. So, okay, the second word is, look at her, look at her.
Give me the thing. Give me the thing.
No. Oh, fan. Ely.
Ely, see?
Fan is Ely.
This is the Ely.
Yeah. Okay, and then car. Car is Ta'avali. Say it.
Ta'avale.
Yeah, good girl. Say it again. Car is Ta'avali.
Ta'avale.
Yeah, okay, good
You the
girl.
boys.
You know who? You know who what?
I know, Mum. I'm not kidding.
Sorry, guys.
Stop.
That is so... Hey, go gonna kick him over beat, okay?
It's just saying that all the boys say. I'm just saying. Edit this out,
Yeah, the
bro.
boys can say it to the boys, but don't you say it. Anyway, the third one is what?
Sing.
That's a extra. The third one was sun.
Cow.
Sun, wasn't it? Sun is la. Sun is la.
La. Is that it?
Yeah, say vivelali la means the sun is hot.
La.
Yeah. Okay, and third is manu.
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 Yeah. Okay. Yeah, anyway.